Here's some riding in the backyard. Or, it's not our yard, but Grayson's back here. Tried to show him some trails, cut him some trails. Yeah, I had to put him back in. What happened? No. Safety zone?
Yeah.
Are you making a safety zone? Alright, good.
For me and Daddy and Daddy.
That's no. Can't see? Oh, what happened? Oh, okay, let's fix that. Oh, grab your hat.
I don't want my hat.
Alright. It's kind of warm out today. Put it in my pocket. Okay, I'll hold it on for you. In my pocket, right there. Okay. Oh, whoa.
Woo.
It's slippery.
So muddy. So muddy. Be careful, Dad. Be careful.
Use that four-wheel drive a little bit, huh? Try it out.
Let's see.
You guys like the four-wheeler? Huh?
You get the green one?
Do you like it?
Won't you get the green one?
You wanted me to get the green one?
Yeah.
That camouflage one?
Yeah.
I don't know. Sounds like my littlest boy wanted me to get the brute force. There was a for 4,000. There was a brute force 750 brute force 2005, and I was like, I don't know, maybe a little bit too much. That's pretty good. Little Rancher right there, man. 350. She seems to handle it pretty good. Just enough for the boys, I think.
That wasn't a couple. That was a lot. There's bugs in there. There's bugs in there, right, Daddy?